Welcome guys, Cream Boss back again with another reaction video. Today I got something kind of different, guys. I probably know you guys probably heard of the Will Smith and Jada Smith situation. So someone took the clip from our Red Table Talk and made "What if Will and Jada Smith were Jamaican?" I've listened to about 5 seconds of the edited one, and it sounds funny as hell, so I decided to just react to it. And I heard the original already, so I'm gonna see if it actually match up to the original. But it's Jamaica, so it's probably gonna be like crazy. Yeah, Jada and Will Smith, A-list celebrity, going through some stuff right now. That shows you guys that these couples are not really couples gold. Honest to God, because their family dynamic sometimes not even that good, and we are idolizing these people. But okay, Will Smith is still my guy though, I'm not gonna lie. Fresh Prince of Bel-Air, one of my best series.
I think you need to say exactly what happened. As far as what? Me give you a bun. You decide say you go bun me back, so what happened? Yeah, and I got into an entanglement with Kaki, and I that me said.
yo, the voice actually sound, it actually matched very well. Jada's second entanglement with cocky. I've seen that word flowing around the place. Like in 2020, we've learned 3 words: quarantine, what else? Coronavirus, and entanglement. That's the new 3 word of 2020. 2020 have been a shitstorm of a year, bro. This year is going down in history. I'm not gonna lie.
An entanglement? Yes. Dirty blood clot. You're a real container bitch. Yes, it's something like...
Will said, you dirty blood clot. You're a real container bitch. That's the way he laughed it off and said it. That was funny as hell. I know it's editing, but it's just funny as hell, bro.
Mango pit, what you mean? But you said my cocky long and it's strong.
Oh my God.
But me feel like...
Really? You give her one first?
You're heartless and you're a whore. Listen, I just wanted to feel hood. It's been so long since I felt hood.
You are mad bumbleclad girl.
Yeah man, you're evil.
Yo! Oh my God, that shit was funny. Yo, anything they put Jamaican with is gonna be funny. This was funny as hell. This was, the voice actually matched their lip flaps, meaning like when their mouth move, it actually sounds like they're actually saying the voiceover. That's crazy. The person who did it, our Gallus in Paris, he's the one who made this. Yeah, so this is the end of the reaction video. Very short video. It's about Jada Pickett Smith and Will Smith. Listen, I don't know, these people are rich millionaire, they're gonna figure it out. They said they weren't together at the time, and August was wait, what's his name again? Jaden, that is Jada's son, Will Smith's son, friend. That means she was banging a youngie, bruh. It's like a cool girl type situation. We all know Jada's like 40 something or something like that, or yeah, born those age. So she's like a cool girl, bruh. Listen, I don't mind the cool girls. I wouldn't mind a cool girl. Well, I'm not gonna say that. Anyway, guys, peace out. Nothing.